Solving quadratic equations by extracting square roots. So, the method of solving the quadratic equation x squared equals k is called extracting square roots. Okay, so we have an example for the second property. Solve the equation a squared equal to 0. So, our k here is 0. Since a squared equals 0, then the equation has only one solution, and that is a equal to 0. So, to check, we have a squared equal to 0, substitute 0. So, we have 0 squared equals 0. Therefore, we have 0 equals 0. So, again, the solution is only one solution. And the answer is the equation a squared equal to 0 has only one solution, that is a equal to 0. This example is for the second property. Okay, now we have the k less than 0. Again, less than 0 is mga negative numbers. The third property. Okay, our example for the third property. Find the roots of the equation x squared plus 16 equal to 0 by extracting square roots. The first step is to write the equation in the form x squared equals k. Then now we have x squared plus 16 equal to 0. It becomes x squared plus 16. To write it in the form x squared equals to k, we're going to add both sides by negative 16. Okay, so therefore 16, positive 16 minus 16 is 0. 0 minus 16 is negative 16. Therefore, we have x squared equals negative 16. Okay, note that the k is negative 16. So, since negative 16 is less than 0, then there is no real solutions or roots. Again, for the third property, kapag ang k ay negative numbers, walang solution ang equation. Okay, so let's have another example.